welcome to the Oxford Sandy and Black Pig Group Foundation Charity Awards presentation. We have 2 awards to give away, as we have done for the last 3 years: Pork Producer and Pig Excellence Awards. So nominations were open for a vast amount of the year, lots of good nominations. Every person on the list, a well-deserved winner of the award. Unfortunately, there can only be one. Some really lovely comments. It's quite humbling to see, and the voting has just been, it's been hard to keep up with all the votes that we've had in tally, but we have got there. It's taken a bit of time, but we have crunched those numbers. So, you know, and in these 2 envelopes here, I have the winners. So the winner of each award, so there's 2 awards, as I've said before, will get to keep the trophy with their name on. They get to keep that for 12 months before they return it back, and then it goes on to the next person next year. But they will get an etched glass bowl saying that they're the winner for 2023 of their relevant group, £200 cash, and a fleece. So without further ado, I'm going to kick off with the Pork Producer Award for 2023. So in previous years, it's been run by, so in 2021, it was won by Ruark's Farm, which is Cat and Kieran Rosenblade over in Ireland. Last year was won by Mike and Jane Carter, Rycroft Rare Breeds. And this year, who could it be? So on the nominees list, and this is no particular order, we had Agnes Farm, which is Lloyd and Elijah Vestage. We had Linda and Sebastian Herker of Ash Paddocks. Clifton Lodge, which is Anita and Ed Withers. We had Conway Valley Podroos, which was Lydia Johnson. Fiona and Tristan McLennan up in Scotland, there, Glenorchy Farm. Graham Bellingham down in Kent. Happy Wallow, which is Justin and Donna Newman. Catherine Green Smith. Natalie Revett. Nicola Goodings of Green Farm. Rycroft Rare Breeds, again on the nomination list. South Paddocks, which is Katie Cooper. Poppy Fields Fine Produce, which was Steve and Amy Edmonds, and Lisa Corcoran. So that is the summary of all the people that were up for the Pork Producer Award, and I have the privilege of awarding it to, and I'm really pleased that this is the case. It was really tight between 3 people at the end, but it pipped at the post by South Paddocks and Katie Cooper. Congratulations, Katie. We'll be in touch with you about getting you your award, etc. Well done, well deserved, and hope the next year brings you success as well. So thank you. So moving on, Pig Excellence Award, which was initially won in the first year, 2021, by Catherine Green. 2022 was Lisa Corcoran, and this year, we don't know who yet because I haven't told you. But there are lots of people in this group. Lots of stiff, hard competition between all of you here. So you've got Becky Ford, Cara Allen, Ed and Anita Withers, Lloyd and Elijah Vestage, Lily Smith, Bob Pratley, Mary Benfield and Gaz Hughes, Louise Blencorn, Darren Ashton, Emma Haynes, Eve Atkins, Harriet Gallagher, Sean Jenkins, Linda Hercrew, Lisa Corcoran, Lucy Ball, Nicole Armstrong, Richard Lee, Sarah Spellman, Steve Wright, Catherine Green Smith and Stuart Cook. Again, it was really tight to the post vote, voting for this particular winner, but I'm really pleased. Again, I mean, I'd like to give the awards to all of you, to everybody that's been nominated. Obviously, we can't do that, unfortunately, but the winner of the Pig Excellence Award 2023 is Stuart Cook. Congratulations, Stuart. Stuart over there in Ireland with his wife Kim, had lots of lovely comments on the voting for them, as with everyone as well. So again, we'll be in contact with you, Stuart, about getting your award to you as soon as we can. So that's it then. As you can see, it's already on the award there. Stuart Cook, 2023 for Pig Excellence Award, and South Paddocks, Katie Cooper for the Pork Producer Award. So congratulations again. We look forward to opening the nominees again later this year, and thank you to everyone for your support. yeah, so thank you to everyone for your support. We couldn't do it without you and your input and time as well, which makes it all worthwhile. And I think I can say on behalf of the charity and all of the trustees, we're really grateful for what everyone does to support us in our journey and supporting the Oxford Sound Near Black Pig. Until next time, take care.